My name is Kevin Janotsky, and I'm a manager for our fixtures and design group at Element, a new sponsor for the Livonia Warriors.
Okay. And your company, what do they normally work in?
Element specializes in testing. We test materials and products, mainly automotive because of the area we're in. But Element is a large testing company, 6,200 employees in over 30 countries.
Oh, wow.
There's 10 facilities in Detroit.
Can you give us a quick, how does it work? Like, what are the steps involved?
It starts with 3D data. So you guys use SolidWorks, which happens to be the same CAD program we use. So if you design in 3D, and think of our machine is a 3-axis cutter. So any shape that the spindle and the bed can move in X, Y, and Z. Well, you can combine all those motions to do contoured shapes, which is the hinge that you have there. And the way they fit together has got angles that come up in different directions. And the only way to machine something like that is with CNC. You have to have that controlled X, Y, and Z movement at the same time. You think of machining, old style is you turn the cranks. So you turn the bed, the cutter is stationary, and you move the bed into the cutter back and forth. And it's really hard to try to move multiple axes at the same time. Computer does it without even a problem. But it takes that 3D data and converts it into a toolpath, and you do the programming and it can do it perfect, and it can repeat it. It'll do it perfect every time.
It's talking.
That's been recorded.
Oh, okay. What kind of tolerances do you have on that?
It's usually within 1 thou. Very tight tolerances. But the machine is fantastic. It'll build directly from the 3D data. So the data that the students designed with, we entered it into the machine and it built directly from that data.
Oh. Like, what kind of machine was this?
It's a Haas 3-axis CNC.
Okay. Is it like a VH3 or something? Or?
It's a smaller one. It's a TM1.
Okay.
It's an '07 model. Runs fantastic.
Nice. Now, how many axes do you have on that machine?
It's a 3-axis. So
Okay.
we set it up. So the parts are interlocking together. So we flipped it so all the interfacing pieces were straight up. And then we lined them up next to each other and just machined all 8 pieces with a slight gap. And then we're all done with this block. We just cut the pieces off like bread, turned them upside down, and cleaned off the bottom. It was a really fun project.